Hi Tesla fans, I'm Ellie with Sportline, and today we have another Model 3 long range that we did some very interesting customizations on the outside, and then wait until you see the inside. But starting off on the outside, this car came with the original Tesla 18-inch wheels and tires. And you know what, I think we can all agree that those stock 18-inch wheels just are not cool. I mean, the hubcaps are barely acceptable, and then if you take them off, you've got a wheel behind there, but it just doesn't look right? I mean, don't we all agree on that? So at Sportline, we address that issue directly by offering a wide range of 18-inch wheels that are designed to use your factory 18-inch tires along with your factory Tesla mounting hardware and lug nuts. And that's really what Sportline wheels are all about, being able to keep it all original. Use all your factory mounting hardware, use your factory tires, but change the look of your Tesla by upgrading your wheels. And here you go, ladies and gentlemen, this is our brand new TSR wheel. TS stands for Sportline and R stands for Roadster. And you know what? About 5 years ago, when Tesla unveiled the new Roadster, we were there at that unveiling, and if you take a look at the wheel that they offered, it's actually very similar to this. That gave us inspiration, and we now offer a wheel called TSR. It comes in two colors. This happens to be satin black, and that's a perfect match for this car that has all this really cool satin black trim from Tesla. So really a big upgraded look from the factory 18-inch wheels to the new TSRs. Now let's go inside and let me show you what we did over here, another world's first. So for those of you that have been following Sportline and our interior program for the Model 3, we are actually celebrating our 4th year of this great program. And what makes it so great is it actually gives you, the customer, the owner, options above and beyond what Tesla offers. Tesla does an amazing job with the Model 3, arguably one of the greatest cars ever made. But when it comes to the interior, we are all limited to either black or white. And while Tesla does a really good job with their vegan interiors, at Sportline, we offer a wide range of vegan and real leather interiors, just like you see here. So this particular customer wanted a red interior, and we've done quite a few videos and plenty of photo galleries on our website with our classic red interior, but he didn't want it to be such a bright red. He wanted it to be a little bit darker. So we went ahead with Cardinal red. This is what it's called. And when you take a look at what we've done here, we have reupholstered the front and rear seats using real leather, Cardinal red leather. And this is what we call the Tesla pattern. So if you take a good look at the pattern of the seats, it's very similar to the pattern that comes with your Model 3, except for one thing. We've actually perforated the inserts of the seats. And this perforation not only looks really cool, but also helps the seat breathe a little bit better. So it's not going to be as hot on those hot days, as they say. So perforated inserts, Tesla pattern, Cardinal red has completely changed the look of this Model 3 on the interior. Tell me what you think, guys. Let's hear some comments below. Do you like this new Cardinal red? Do you even think that you should change the interior on your Model 3? Is black or white good enough? And of course, I really want to hear from you and see what's your favorite color. Thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you have not already. We have so many more amazing videos coming your way soon.